What if I told you that a single ice cream bar has conquered the taste buds of millions worldwide, generating over $1 billion in sales? This isn't just any ice cream. It's Magnum, a brand that has redefined indulgence in the frozen dessert industry. But what's the secret behind its massive success? In this exclusive behind-the-scenes look, we're pulling back the curtain on Magnum's closely guarded production process. From the careful selection of premium ingredients to the innovative techniques that create that signature crack when you bite into the chocolate shell, we're about to reveal the craftsmanship that goes into every single Magnum bar. Get ready to see how science, art, and a dash of magic come together to create this billion-dollar treat. In 1989, a Danish subsidiary of Unilever embarked on a mission to revolutionize the ice cream industry. Their goal was ambitious: to create a premium ice cream bar specifically tailored for adults, setting it apart from the existing offerings in the market. This vision, however, was met with initial skepticism. Many industry experts questioned the viability of a luxury ice cream bar in an already crowded market dominated by familiar brands and flavors. The challenge lay in striking the perfect balance between indulgence and mass appeal. Magnum's creators understood that to succeed, they needed to craft a product that not only tasted exceptional, but also resonated with consumers on an emotional level. This required a meticulous process of ingredient selection and recipe development, pushing the boundaries of what was possible in ice cream production. The team began by sourcing the highest quality ingredients, focusing on rich, creamy milk and pure cocoa butter. They experimented with various flavor profiles, aiming to create a sophisticated taste that would appeal to adult palates. The ice cream base underwent numerous iterations, with each version carefully tested and refined to achieve the perfect texture and mouthfeel. As the recipe development progressed, the team faced another hurdle: how to differentiate Magnum from other premium ice cream products entering the market. They needed a unique selling point, something that would make Magnum stand out on store shelves and in consumers' minds. This led to intense brainstorming sessions and market research to identify gaps in the industry that Magnum could fill. The breakthrough came when the team decided to focus on the chocolate coating. While other ice cream bars used standard chocolate formulations, Magnum's creators saw an opportunity to elevate this component. They turned their attention to Belgium, a country renowned for its exceptional chocolate craftsmanship. After extensive testing and collaboration with Belgian chocolatiers, they developed a proprietary chocolate blend that would become Magnum's signature. This decision to use high-quality Belgian chocolate for the coating proved to be a game-changer. The rich, velvety texture and complex flavor profile of the chocolate perfectly complemented the creamy ice cream within. More importantly, it provided Magnum with a clear point of differentiation in the market. The use of premium Belgian chocolate allowed Magnum to position itself as a truly luxurious treat, justifying a higher price point and appealing to consumers looking for an indulgent experience. The luxurious Belgian chocolate coating was a masterstroke, but it introduced a complex problem. Standard chocolate formulas couldn't survive in the harsh, cold world of ice cream storage. Magnum's next breakthrough would require rewriting the rules of chocolate making, leading to a proprietary formula that defies conventional wisdom. Creating the perfect chocolate coating for Magnum ice cream bars presented unique challenges in production. The extreme cold temperatures necessary for ice cream storage posed a significant obstacle. Regular chocolate becomes brittle and loses its appealing texture when exposed to such low temperatures, potentially ruining the consumer experience. This issue required Magnum's food scientists to innovate beyond traditional chocolate-making techniques. The development of Magnum's specialized chocolate formula involved extensive experimentation. The team needed to create a chocolate that could maintain its structure and desirable properties at temperatures as low as -40 degrees Celsius, while still complementing the creamy ice cream inside. This process required a deep understanding of the complex interplay between temperature, texture, and taste in ice cream production. Magnum's research and development team explored various combinations of cocoa butter, milk solids, and other ingredients to achieve the ideal balance. They tested different ratios and processing methods, carefully analyzing how each variation performed under extreme cold conditions. The goal was to create a chocolate coating that would provide a satisfying snap when bitten, yet melt smoothly in the mouth without becoming grainy or waxy. The innovation process extended beyond just the chocolate composition. Magnum's engineers also had to consider how the coating would be applied to the ice cream bars. They developed a specialized bath system where the frozen ice cream cores are quickly dipped into perfectly tempered liquid chocolate. This rapid process ensures that the chocolate instantly freezes upon contact with the cold ice cream, creating a uniform and stable layer that enhances the overall texture and experience of the product. Controlling the thickness of the chocolate layer proved to be another critical factor. Too thin, and the coating would crack unpredictably. Too thick, and it would overpower the ice cream. Magnum's production line incorporates precision equipment to apply the chocolate coating consistently, ensuring that each bar meets the exacting standards that consumers have come to expect. After years of research and refinement, Magnum succeeded in developing a closely guarded chocolate recipe designed to resist temperatures as low as -40 degrees Celsius while maintaining its signature crunch and smooth melt-in-your-mouth quality. This proprietary formula became a key component of Magnum's success, setting a new standard in the ice cream industry and contributing to the brand's reputation for premium indulgence. Magnum's proprietary chocolate was just the beginning. Behind the scenes, a precisely choreographed dance of ingredients and machinery transforms simple milk and sugar into millions of indulgent treats. But at what point does mass production compromise quality? The scale of Magnum's operation is truly impressive. Each week, their factories receive a staggering 40,000 liters of milk and 50,000 liters of sugar syrup. This massive influx of raw materials sets the stage for a production process that combines cutting-edge technology with meticulous quality control to maintain Magnum's reputation for premium indulgence. The journey from raw ingredients to finished product begins with pasteurization. The milk undergoes a carefully controlled heating process to eliminate harmful bacteria, simultaneously enhancing both flavor and texture. This crucial step ensures the safety of the product while laying the foundation for Magnum's signature creamy consistency. Following pasteurization, the mixture moves to the homogenization stage. Here, high-pressure equipment breaks down fat globules into tiny particles, creating a silky and uniform texture throughout the ice cream base. This process is key to achieving the smooth, luxurious mouthfeel that Magnum customers have come to expect. As the production line advances, precision becomes paramount. A specialized extruder dispenses the ice cream mixture into molds with millimeter accuracy, ensuring consistency across millions of bars. The filled molds then enter a rapid freezing chamber, where temperatures plummet to as low as -40 degrees Celsius. This extreme cold stabilizes the ice cream structure and prevents the formation of ice crystals that could compromise texture. Quality control measures are integrated at every stage of production. Trained tasters regularly evaluate samples, assessing texture, flavor balance, and the all-important chocolate crunch. These experts ensure that each batch meets Magnum's exacting standards before proceeding to the next phase of production. The final steps in the process involve rigorous safety checks. Each ice cream bar passes through metal detectors and X-ray machines, safeguarding against any potential foreign objects and maintaining product integrity. The bars are then packaged and moved to a refrigerated warehouse where they're stored at a constant -28 degrees Celsius to preserve freshness until distribution. As Magnum bars emerge from their frigid slumber, they enter a world where their impact transcends mere indulgence. These ice cream bars have become cultural touchstones in certain markets, challenging our understanding of brand perception. What factors have contributed to Magnum's elevated status, and how has this affected the broader ice cream industry? Magnum's marketing strategy positions the brand as an affordable luxury worldwide, striking a delicate balance between maintaining a premium image and achieving mass-market sales. This approach has resonated with consumers seeking indulgence without a prohibitive price tag, allowing Magnum to penetrate diverse global markets successfully. The brand's ability to adapt its flavors and product offerings to cater to local tastes has played a crucial role in its international expansion. In various countries, Magnum bars are perceived as status symbols, elevating the brand's image beyond that of a mere dessert. This perception has been carefully cultivated through strategic marketing campaigns that emphasize the premium ingredients and craftsmanship behind each bar. By associating their product with luxury and sophistication, Magnum has created a unique position in the market that sets it apart from traditional ice cream brands. The global expansion of Magnum has not been without challenges. The brand has faced difficulties in certain markets, including failed product launches that highlight the complexities of implementing a global marketing strategy. These setbacks have forced Magnum to continuously refine its approach, balancing global brand consistency with local market preferences. Magnum's success has had a ripple effect throughout the ice cream industry. Competitors have been compelled to innovate and introduce their own premium ice cream products, reshaping consumer expectations in the category. This shift has led to an overall elevation of quality and variety in the ice cream market, benefiting consumers while simultaneously raising the bar for manufacturers. The brand's influence extends beyond just product offerings. Magnum has played a significant role in changing consumer perceptions of ice cream, transforming it from a simple treat to a potential luxury experience. This shift has opened up new market segments and pricing tiers within the industry, allowing for greater differentiation and value creation. Magnum's impact on the global ice cream market has been transformative. The brand's success has inspired numerous imitators and elevated consumer expectations across the board. From influencing packaging design to encouraging the use of premium ingredients, Magnum has set new standards that have reshaped the entire ice cream industry. Magnum's journey from a simple ice cream bar to a billion-dollar global phenomenon demonstrates the power of meticulous attention to detail at every stage of product development and marketing. By carefully selecting premium ingredients, engineering a unique chocolate coating, and positioning itself as an affordable luxury, Magnum has redefined the ice cream industry. This success story extends beyond frozen treats, potentially shaping the future of food marketing across various sectors. As consumers increasingly seek out small indulgences in their daily lives, Magnum's model of affordable luxury may well become a blueprint for other brands. This trend could lead to a shift in how companies approach product development and marketing strategies, focusing on creating premium experiences that are accessible to a wide range of consumers. The future may see more brands adopting this approach, blending quality, innovation, and strategic positioning to create their own billion-dollar success stories.